Redmond homeowners care about comfort, style, and smart investments, and one upgrade that delivers all three is installing energy-efficient entry doors. Whether your goal is to lower monthly bills, reduce drafts, or create a more welcoming home, today's high-performance entry doors offer impressive benefits that pay off year-round. With Redmond's cool, rainy winters and warm, dry summers, your entry door plays a major role in protecting your home from weather extremes while helping maintain stable indoor temperatures. If you're considering a door upgrade, here's how energy-efficient entry doors help Redmond homeowners save money and stay comfortable in every season. Reduced heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient doors are built to minimize the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of your home. In Redmond, where cold, damp winters can send heating bills soaring, this improvement makes a noticeable difference. These doors lower monthly energy costs by preventing heat loss through insulated cores, creating tighter seals that block drafts, reducing cold air infiltration during windy days, minimizing the workload on your HVAC system because less conditioned air escapes. Your home stays comfortable without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Better comfort throughout the year. If you've ever felt a cold draft near your entryway in winter or noticed your home heating unevenly, your door may be part of the problem. A high-quality, energy-efficient entry door creates a more stable indoor climate. You'll enjoy fewer chilly spots near the entryway, less heat buildup during warm Redmond summers, reduced humidity transfer, a more consistent temperature from room to room. Many homeowners say the difference is immediately noticeable once the new door is installed. Superior insulation. Designed for Pacific Northwest weather, energy-efficient entry doors use advanced materials specifically designed to handle fluctuating temperatures and persistent moisture. Two challenges Redmond homeowners know well. Most high-efficiency doors include insulated foam cores that boost thermal performance, weather-resistant frames that resist swelling or warping, multi-layer construction that blocks outdoor air, low-E glass inserts that reduce heat transfer and UV exposure. These features help the door perform reliably even through Redmond's wettest months. Stronger protection against drafts and moisture. Older or poorly installed entry doors can let in moisture and cold wind, especially during Redmond's fall and winter seasons. Energy-efficient doors include reinforced weather stripping and heavy-duty thresholds that seal tightly when the door is closed. This prevents cold air drafts, rainwater intrusion, mold or mildew buildup, wood rot, and damage to flooring by keeping moisture out. Energy-efficient entry doors also protect your home's structure and indoor air quality. Lower maintenance and greater durability. Energy-efficient doors aren't just better for insulation, they're built to last. Materials such as fiberglass, steel, and insulated composites resist wear and tear far better than older wood doors, which can swell, crack, or warp in Redmond's damp climate. These doors are resistant to warping and moisture damage, less likely to develop cracks or gaps over time, easy to clean and maintain, designed for long-term weather performance. This means fewer repairs and replacement costs over the years. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Upgrading your entry door adds instant style and character to your Redmond home. Energy-efficient doors are available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and designs, from modern to craftsman to traditional, allowing homeowners to match their home's unique personality. Benefits include higher resale value, improved first impressions, a polished, updated exterior, optional glass inserts for added natural light. Buyers increasingly prioritize energy efficiency, making this upgrade both attractive and practical. Eco-friendly choices for sustainable living. Many Redmond residents value eco-friendly living. Because energy-efficient doors reduce the amount of power your HVAC system uses, they help lower your home's carbon footprint while adding comfort. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient entry doors offer Redmond homeowners significant financial and comfort benefits, from reduced utility bills to better temperature control and enhanced curb appeal. With durable construction, moisture resistance, and modern insulating technology, these doors are designed to perform beautifully in Redmond's unique climate. If you're looking for a smart home upgrade that pays off in comfort, savings, and long-term value, energy-efficient entry doors are an excellent choice.